So let's discuss Lesson 1 in Module 7. This is all about simple annuity. Maybe you will ask me, Mom, what is the meaning of simple annuity? So let's start here by describing or defining the word annuity. Annuity means a sequence of payments made at equal or fixed intervals or periods of time. So, say for example, you pay quarterly or it's around 3 months, then it means in 1 year, you're gonna pay 4 times, right? Because there are 4 quarters in a year. Now, if you will talk about the sequence of payments, your first payment after 3 months, another payment after 6 months, and another after 9 months, and at the end of 1 year, you will pay the last payment. So, it's what we call annuity. Now, if we'll say payment interval, it's just the time between successive payments. As what I shared to you a while ago, the payment interval is 3 months. So you will pay the same amount in every payment interval. Actually, annuities may be classified in different ways. If it's according to payment interval and interest period, it can be classified either simple annuity or general annuity. What's the difference between the two? If we'll say simple annuity, it is an annuity where the payment interval is the same as the interest period. So if you will pay monthly, the interest is also compounded monthly. On the other hand, general annuity is where the payment interval is not the same as the interest period. So, if you will pay quarterly and then the interest is compounded monthly, so the two are not the same, therefore it's a general annuity. If it's according to time of payment, it can be classified as either ordinary annuity or annuity immediate. It can also be classified as annuity due. So, if we'll say ordinary annuity, the payments are made at the end of each payment interval. However, if it's annuity due, the payments are made at the beginning of each payment interval. But most commonly, the payments are made at the end, right? So, that's ordinary annuity. Last is according to duration. It can either be annuity certain or contingent annuity. So if we'll say annuity certain, the payments begin and end at definite times. See for example, you're going to pay what you borrowed after 2 years. So the time where you will pay your borrowed money is 2 years after you borrow. Contingent annuity, on the other hand, is an annuity in which the payments extend over an indefinite or indeterminate length of time. Say for example, you promise to pay after 1 year. However, you decided to extend your payments because of insufficient money. So you can extend your payments, and this is what we call contingent annuity. So let's have here some examples of annuity. Very common. Maybe your parents install some gadgets or car, appliance, housing lot, or tuition fee. That are examples of annuity. Examples of contingent annuity is life insurance, pension payments, wherein you will pay at definite times. Example of contingent annuity, where you can extend your payment for indeterminate indefinite periods of time is life insurance, also pension payments. So this is very common among those who have jobs like teachers or any other professions, because they need to pay life insurance for what will happen in the future. At least they have something to receive. Or pension payment. Example of simple annuity is installment payment for an appliance at the end of each month with interest compounded monthly. So you can observe that your payment is just the same with the interest period, which is monthly. Therefore, it is a simple annuity. How about an example of general annuity? Installment payment for an appliance at the end of each month with interest compounded annually. So you can see that your payment is at the end of each month, however the interest is compounded annually, so the two are different.